How to fix Helldivers to error code 0x44415441. 1. Purge incompatible mods. The primary cause of this error is the presence of mods that are no longer compatible with the latest version of the game. To address this, disable all mods. If you are using a mod manager, disable all active mods. Use the Hellbomb script for a complete cleanup. Download the Hellbomb script. Run the script and follow these steps. Press H to detect installed mods. Press Q to delete detected mods. Optionally use C, M and S to clear local HD data. Clear Steam Cloud Save. Reset Steam. These actions will not affect your game progress or other games. Steam Community. Note, this method has been recommended by users on the Steam Community Forum. Steam Community. 2. Verify game files via Steam. After removing mods, ensure the integrity of your game files. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Right-click on Helldivers 2 and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will identify and replace any corrupted or missing files. 3. Run the game as administrator. Running the game with administrative privileges can resolve permission-related issues. Right-click on the Helldivers to shortcut or executable file. Select Run as administrator. 4. Update or reinstall anti-cheat software. Helldivers 2 utilizes anti-cheat software that may cause errors if outdated or corrupted. Navigate to the game's installation directory. Locate the anti-cheat folder. Run the setup or installer file to repair or reinstall the anti-cheat software. 5. Check for Windows updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date, as missing updates can lead to compatibility issues. Go to Settings Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Additional tips. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary programs running in the background that might interfere with the game. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Helldivers 2 or its components. Monitor official channels. Sometimes, widespread issues are acknowledged by the developers. Keep an eye on Arrowhead Game Studios' official channels for updates. If you need further assistance or a step-by-step video guide, feel free to ask.